shiny card collector. Back with a box of Paldean face. So, I mean, out of these, we ideally want the Bubble Mew or the SIR Charizard. I mean, to be honest, there's quite a few good cards you can get out of this. Now, let's see what we can get. Oh. Well, that means if I can get them open, that is. But, you know, there you go. I wonder what the card trick is for this. Is it 4 or 1? Let's have a look. 1. Sweet. There we go. Psychic Energy. Ghastly. Paldean Student. Fido. Ooh, Hunter. Electric Generator. Swoobat. Oh, Gengar. I've got the whole evolutionary line. Nice. Another Ghastly. First follow. My Cactus. The final card is... Oh. Mobostiff. It's a nice card. Anyway, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And have a good one. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.